Okay, let's see. Stop. Whoa, wait a second. No. Good, very good boy. Good boy, Steve. Good boy. Good. Steve's really turned into a bird dog, isn't he? The GOGO bird. Hudson Xeno 2 Killer. So much fun. This is Dad Random, but Steve is spinning in a circle. I have no idea. There's nobody out there. Probably another dog. I have something fun to show you because, we've been doing, the drone hobby's gotten so expensive. And what I did was, and I've seen this out in some channels, and I want to promote something that's fun. And so I got me a GOGO bird. So the GOGO bird is just a fun toy. You can get them for about 30 bucks. This is an Amazon purchase. So let's do a real quick GOGO bird unboxing. It's really not that big of a deal of an unboxing. I have opened it just to check out everything, get it charged up. But they give you this really cool, colorful, simple, quick start guide right there. And you can basically pretty much know how to do everything you need to do right out of the box. You get the GOGO bird, and it takes a little bit of a wedging to get it out. There's a little GOGO bird. It's got a very light frame with like celluloid wings, but it looks really cool now. It's kind of breezy, so we're still gonna fly the GOGO bird here. I've got a little bit of protection, so we're gonna try it out. But there's its tail, and there's its little balance. And this runs on lipos, little tiny lipos. So you get these mini lipos right here, and it gives you two, and then the charger's integrated. So isn't that neat? Yeah, these are one cell, 100 milliamp. Or 100, mAh lipos for the GOGO bird. And I have no idea how long these fly for. You get the little mini screwdriver to help you basically get your batteries into let me get this controller out. This is the single trigger control with a joystick controller. I have no idea how to fly this. There's your on-off button. Got a couple batteries in there, and I think my my lipo should be charged, but this is basically a joystick, and then you've got a trigger control, and you just tap this button here once, which activates it, and you can see there's a little brushed motor in there. So it has a little single brushed motor, and it's gear driven. You can see the gears in there, which flaps the wings. So I think we're good. I think I should be able to get a maiden flight. So we'll do that in just a second. So I've got this already, I've already added a battery, and that's really the only thing that this screwdriver is for. I don't know why they always give you there's a Phillips head, but they give you a flat screwdriver. Obviously you can still use it, but that's kind of annoying. But it doesn't keep you from being able to fly. So, all right. So here we go. I'm going to go ahead and get set up, and we're going to fly maiden flight of the GOGO bird. Yes. All right. We just powered up the we just powered up the GOGO bird. We got one click, and then I'm going to control. So we're on there. There's a blue light in here. Guessing that blue light is telling us we're go. Blue must mean we are good to go. So here we go. Wish me luck. Here we go. Steve sure likes it. thing's fun. This thing's fun. Oh man, we're in the wind. We better get her back. We gotta get her back here. Oh, we gotta get her down. Oh man, we gotta keep her off the roof of that house. Come on, come on. Uh-oh, we've lost the GOGO bird. I gotta go look at random. A little bit of bird footage and a little bit of hiking. I had a good neighbor down the street. It flew about 4 houses over, dropped onto their roof, and they pushed it down with a broom handle. That was pretty cool. But yeah, this sucker took off, didn't it? So I'm gonna actually bring it over here into my street. Now the wind's died down really good, and I'm gonna give it one more flight. I got one more battery, but we will. I'm gonna put the camera on the ground, and we'll give it a shot that way, so I can just, you know, run after this thing in case it takes off. But yeah, this thing just she took off, and she just kept flying for crap a good 3-4 minutes. All right, Dad random. All right, battery number 2. Here we go. All right, Dad random, GOGO bird. This thing is so susceptible to the wind, and it's also susceptible to my dog Steve. So here we go. This ought to be interesting. I'm in a confined space, so we can fly it for a couple of seconds here without hopefully it flying away. I'm trying to get it in control. It basically has a speed control, and you know, just a basic speed control. Faster, slower. This is on off, and then it has some pre-programmed patterns which actually are helpful. Once you get it aloft, you can click on a circle so you can just get it spinning around. Then it has an elliptical and ellipse, kind of where it's out and back, a longer pattern. And then the last one is the figure 8. So we're going to try to keep it in the same area. I think when you put in a stick command, it will automatically start to go left and right. So you can control left and right, and then just move it forward, drop the speed down, and then, you know, try to control the altitude and direction. So you can't really like move forward and like faster because it just goes higher, and then of course it gets up in the wind. So, you know, so right now it's about as calm as it's going to be today. So let's give it a go. No, no. Bring it here, Steve. Steve, bring it here. Nice. Sit down. Nice. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy, Steve. No, no, kid. Good boy. Did you get me the bird? Thank you, Steve. Steve got the bird for me. Good boy, Steve. Steve, no, don't bite it. Don't bite the bird. He's trying to eat it. Yeah, don't hurt the bird. Good though. You caught it. That's a good job. That was a big catch. It's just all full of goop. So there we go. Now I actually controlled it pretty good. It wanted to really drift. I mean, if there's any wind whatsoever, it's just going to take off. So we're definitely going to try it in the house too. But that was probably my first successful flight where I didn't have, you know, it just taking off and I had no control. So the GOGO bird, Hudson Xeno 2 Killer. So much fun. And durable. It's Steve-proof, I think. So yeah, Steve actually chased it down into that bush right back there. He went up into the bush, brought it down, and actually was bringing it to me. All right, later. All right, here we go. Let's keep testing this puppy today. But I'd say it was successful. It's about a minute and a half. Maybe less. There we go, GOGO bird. Here we go. Let's take off, see what we got. Here we go. Push the power button. There you go. There There she is, flying around in circles. Steve loves the go-go bird. The go-go bird back over here. Oh, there it is. Okay, there, Steve. Stop. Whoa, wait a second. No. Good. Right? Good boy. Good boy, Steve. Good boy. Good. Steve's really turned into a bird dog, isn't he? Good. You got sloppy wings now, Steve. All right, here we go. Last flight of the go-go bird. It's full of Steve's slime. And let's get some Instago footage too. Here we go. All right, here we go. Steve, you are sliming my bird. Steve, that's it. Nope. Steve, no. Steve, no. Steve, no. Steve. Steve, no. All right. Oh boy. Looks like we're gonna need some new wings, Steve. There it is. Go-go bird needs some new wings. Looks like the rest of the go-go bird's okay. They do sell new wings for this. I kind of knew Steve was going to have a little bit too much fun. He wanted to make sure it was not moving anymore, which he was successful at doing. But all right, this is fun. I would say that's a great test. As far as dog-proofing your go-go bird, look at that. Disgusting. But it's okay, Steve. We'll fix it. Looks like I could take a zip tie and put it right through there and fix it, which is what I might do. Or the wings. There's replacement wings you can buy for this toy. It's made to be roughly handled. And Steve, it's okay. I could have blocked you out of here, right? It's okay. You can take the bird. All right, Steve. But he was just trying to pick it up, and actually he was very gentle with it. If you look at it, well, I'm not mad at Steve. All right, we'll fix it. We'll get some new wings. Yeah. So what I'm going to do with this go-go bird is I'm going to repair it. I'll put some new wings on it, and then I am going to do a giveaway. So this go-go bird will be given away when I hit 5,000 on my stream. So check out Dad Random, and when I hit 5,000, this is going to be given away on my channel. And I will be posting very soon what you need to do to win the go-go bird. So a lot of fun though. This, I mean, obviously, if I fly it indoors, it's not going to be damaged. If I fly it inside of in the house, it's not going to be damaged. So, right, Steve? Yeah, it's okay, Steve. Bye. Dad Random. Flying the go-go bird. Okay, look for this. Get ready for the giveaway. I said I'm going to make her in flying condition, so when you see it again, she'll be ready to go.